Alright, I got some good news and bad news. Good news is I have finished these, assembling the new circuit boards for the Firebirds, and that's the good news. The bad news is I was not actually able to film it because the zoom lens on it was not all that good. And if you don't believe me, let me show you. I'm going to put it in the zoom. Yeah, see how bad it looks? It actually blurs, and that's not good. I don't like that. I mean, like, if you want to zoom, you're supposed to zoom in perfect. Okay, let me go back out. And I'm beginning to seriously not like this new camera I bought. And, pardon me. I don't know what else to say. The boards are in good shape. They're smaller than the one that I had previously. The one let me push. Okay, I'll pause this thing for a bit. Okay, and here it is. See, that's the old one up against the two new ones. They have the same length, but not the same width. Turns out to be that also that these are bigger. These are smaller than the ones that are currently on here now, on the old one, and I think it's pretty good. Like, it's about the size that I think I would like it to be, but I'm not too sure about these guys. They're a little bit smaller. And the reason why they're angled like that is the only way that, is the only way how they are to be placed in on that board, on the boards I should say. And like I said, if I try to zoom in, and as you can see, it stayed the same. And I'm beginning to not like this new camera. Here's some other bad news. The camera that I normally use it's in my room somewhere. I know it is. I gotta find it. And hopefully I'll switch over to that camera again, because this one I don't really like. I know I want to have an everyday camera, but this one is not working out very well. Well, that's a quick update on the electronic portion of this. See you next time. Bye bye. Okay. I'm doing something a little bit different right now with my thing. Matter of fact, here's something I did. If you can see the sheen on the new model, I accidentally painted it first. That was not what I wanted to do. But however, what I did was I put the a little too close there. Oh, why is it so grainy? I just pull back. Alright, yeah. Don't worry about some of the underspray parts. I'll take care of that. As you can see, I can put the template on top, and I taped it down. What I'm going to do next, get out of it. What I'm going to do next is, after I made lines on here with the tape on, I'm going to take the tape, move it over somewhere, all of them, all 8 of them, okay, there's 4 more on your side, and draw the lines where I didn't or was not able to draw the lines at. And yes, well, we're going to be doing something about the bottom part here. Okay, so no need to worry about that. I'll do something about it. And I'll probably put a scoring line on there. Put like some kind of straight edge. Put a scoring line on both sides, I guess, or a line. And then we'll see what happens next long after that. Okay? So, on to the next thing. Alright, everybody. Welcome to another rendition of Rebuilding of the Firebird. Okay. Okay, over here we have all that other stuff we built up. That one there is still not dry. I don't know why. It's almost been 24 hours. Go figure. And we have some we got all of the side plating for the rudders. And just think, I mean, we can probably complete this. All they gotta do is put more paint on them, put some clear coat on it, put some decals on it, and then another clear coat on top of that, and we can call it done. And with some of the others too. And here's something I would also like to let you know. I did something different, and you probably saw it already. That I taped it up and put the graphic paper around it, and then cut it up a bit. Whoop, here we are. Cut it up, and then we marked the lines on it, and this is what you came up with. Turn it this way, maybe it can look better. Matter of fact, you know what? This one looks a lot better the way how I put it up. This was after the fact. Much better than this one, huh? And oh yeah, I'm also going to put wings on it. So what I did is, oh yeah, just let you know, I have the camera sideways, so it'll look better to capture what I need to know. Let everybody know. Okay, I can barely see it. Let me see if I can. Okay, yeah, there we go. We have a line there. That's where the front wings, the front smaller wings are going to be put at. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. As a matter of fact, I found out, if you can see, is graph paper. Graph paper are still being sold to this day, but they're more or less like sheets of 8.5 by 11. You can get them at Staples. And same thing with over here and over on this one. Okay, graph paper. And that's okay, and that is as far as I know. You know what's weird? The tape you see as blue and looks like black, right? Well, actually, I'm seeing blue. With that, I'm seeing blue and brown. At least I think it's brown, but it doesn't do no justice. It shows black on here. I don't know how's that possible, but that's how it is. That's weird how that works. Well, anyway, this is an update. We'll be back for more. Hang on.